Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add different visual shapes to your Getresponse landing page. If you don't yet have a Getresponse account, make sure to check the link in the description below. You can use it to create a free forever Getresponse account with 30 days access to all Getresponse premium features. Now let's get started. Shapes can help in adding visual separation markers between sections, draw attention to different areas of your landing page, or creating frames around certain elements. There are multiple shapes we can add to our Getresponse landing page, including rectangles, circles, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. To add a shape, simply drag and drop the preferred shape into the landing page, and we can resize that shape from these outer indicators. To edit any shape, double-click on the element, and from this toolbar, we have multiple options to edit that shape. For rectangles and circles, from this icon, we can change the background, edit the color opacity. We can either set the background as a solid color, gradient of two colors, or any custom image that we add. And from here, we can add borders and shadows, as we clarified before in our borders and shadows video in this series. And for horizontal and vertical lines, we can edit the line thickness, change the line type between solid and dotted, change the line color and opacity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell to get updated with every new video. And if you have any questions, please leave your question in the comment section below, and I will try my best to answer all of your questions. For more tutorials, check out the playlists in the description below for step-by-step guides on how to use all Getresponse features. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.